Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those and if you need to find, guys, okay, where the fuses for the navigation is located, you may have up to 5 different fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you do not waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump, guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump, guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay, to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of, guys, spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of, guys, wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers, guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have, guys, some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses, we'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now, which fuses you need to check for the navigation? We're going to explain on a 2013 Toyota Camry that we have right here, guys. So now we have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working both of them. And the first fuse box is under the hood. Open your hood, guys. Okay, that's your engine right here. Car battery, that's the fuse box layout. That's the fuse box, engine management box here. Remove that cover and you will see that fuse box layout here. That's towards the front, that's towards the windshield side of the Toyota Camry, that's towards the front. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here, guys, which fuses we need to check. In this fuse box we have only 1 fuse, then we have 4 more in a different fuse box. And the fuse that we're talking about, if you come next to these 2 relay, this fuse number 3765, that fuse number 35, that's a 20 amp fuse, that's the one that you will need to check here. Then you need to come on the inside of your Toyota Camry, come to the driver's side, under the dash, guys. Okay, look on the left side here, upside down in the left corner. You'll see a fuse box. Okay, you may have a white cover. Once you remove it, you'll see that layout here. Now, which fuses we need to check here? 4 fuses, by the way. We're going to start, okay, with fuse number 1, right here. Fuse number 3, right there. We need to check fuse number 12, over here. And then we have another one that we need to check, and it's fuse number 35. So that's fuse number 3765. This fuse right here will need to be checked for navigation as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.